Hello guys! Today, I want to tell you that by using an app you can call to any number for free. But just you need to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. It's easy to use, so let's start today's video. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, subscribe now and leave a like, comment. Go to Play Store. Download it. Click here. Click to enter referral code. Here just type 1,000,000 to 166,421,415. You can copy it from comment or description. Then click OK.
You can earn points from watching ads from this section.
And also you can earn points by inviting friends. Earning points by watching ads by clicking here. It's my bonus by watching ads about 20 minutes. Start a call from here. It's the call rate of all countries. Bangladesh's call cost per minute. Let's try it. When you call, if here show ringing, it's mean call is ringing on that number.
Now, call is ringing on that number.
If you face any problem, please comment.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos.